In today's lesson, we will talk about regular verb conjugation in Spanish, how to put the pieces together. Let's begin with the verb hablar, to talk or to speak. Hablar is an infinitive. An infinitive has two parts, a stem and an ending. In Spanish, all infinitives will end with AR, ER, or IR. In the case of hablar, the stem will be HABL and the ending AR. Let's look at a few more examples. Cantar, the stem is CANT and the ending is AR. Estudiar, the stem ESTUDI and the ending is AR. Now you try. Nadar. That's right. The stem is NAD and the ending is AR. Now let's get to conjugation. When conjugating an infinitive, you must remove the AR ending altogether. Let's look at what conjugation is. Conjugation is breaking down or changing the verb to match its subject. So we will take the stem, HABL, and we will create a conjugation chart. A conjugation chart consists of subject pronouns plus the new conjugated form of the verb. For example, yo hablo. We have the stem HABL plus the new ending O. Here are the others. Tú hablas. Usted habla. Él habla. Ella habla. Nosotros hablamos. Vosotros habláis. Ustedes hablan. Ellos hablan. Ellas hablan. Now let's look at a different infinitive. This is an ER verb. So the stem is COM and the ending is ER. We will create another conjugation chart. We take away the ER and we use the stem with our subject pronouns. Yo como, tú comes, usted come, él come, ella come, nosotros comemos, vosotros coméis, ustedes comen, ellos comen, ellas comen. Now for our last verb ending, we have escribir, to write. Escribir is an IR verb. The stem is ESCRIB and the ending is IR. Let's create our conjugation chart. Yo escribo. Tú escribes. Usted escribe. Él escribe. Ella escribe. Nosotros escribimos. Vosotros escribís. Ustedes escriben. Ellos escriben. Ellas escriben. You may have noticed that the IR verb endings are very similar to the ER verb endings. The differences are the nosotros form and the vosotros form. As you can see, the ER verb comer ends with EMOS and EIS, so the ending matches these two forms. Likewise, the IR verb escribir ends with IMOS and IS. Now let's look at conjugation in context in the form of a few simple sentences. Yo hablo español. I speak Spanish. Ella habla francés. She speaks French. Ellos comen mucho. They eat a lot. Tú escribes cuentos. You write stories. Now it's your turn. Using what you have learned about conjugating regular verbs, create your own short sentence with each verb in today's lesson. You may pause the video to do so. Way to go, you did it! In review, a Spanish infinitive has two parts, a stem and an ending. Sometimes infinitives must be conjugated. Conjugation is changing the verb to match its subject. And to use regular verb conjugation in context, you must memorize the new endings of AR, ER, and IR verbs. Until next time, hasta luego! Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell.